as an entrepreneur, you want to be aware of the fact that dilution happens, right? You need to protect the cap table, but at the same time, you need to understand that it's going to happen. How do I skillfully raise money in a way that I can keep as much company for all of my stakeholders as possible? So, how do entrepreneurs fund their companies? Angels, investors, yeah. How else? Bootstrap, that's a great way to fund a company.
So you said, why wouldn't they get a valuation on day 10?
Yeah.
Well, hey, they ain't really doing the market.
That's right.
So it's gonna look like you trash.
That's right. So you might start off as an owner with 50% of the company, but by the time you sell the company, you might end up with 9%. But you own 50% of nothing versus 9% of the same. I will leave you with one piece of advice, and that is go out there and work for somebody that is amazing at what they do. You're going to pick up good habits or you're going to pick up bad habits. Go out there and learn.